Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're opening up the Beast Swarms. I've already unpacked it because why not? Yeah, like this is like the whole thing. Didn't look the coolest packaging ever. But Jimmy, you did a good job. Kind of just looked like this. Sadly, I went to Target. Did not have what I needed or wanted. This is what it looked like. Oh, it's so hard. The back, like, it didn't look the coolest, but it's decent. There's 2 swarms inside, and this is all we got. It was inside the tube, pulled it out, type thing. So, yeah. It said we needed water. What do we need? Which this can be turned into. This can also be turned into a swarm bowling alley. Why? Moose does that, I guess. So Moose made this basically with MrBeast type thing. So yeah, we have a lot to get to. So here's what we have to do. Mix. Screw the cap and mill, folding shoulder. Add water. This. Okay. Let's read the instructions. Let's make this. Oh, ants. Here. Oh. Just don't look the cool. I need the instructions. What do I do? I removed something and added it. What do I need to do? Okay. Add the water. Oh, you gave me too much water, Mom. You gave me too much. Oh my. Yes, you. Oh. Well, guess we just shake it. For how long? I'm gonna close it. It's cool. You can see them like unraveling basically. We just shake it for how long? Shake it for. For 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, and what's next? And then you just get it out. Well, I'm gonna first get all the water out. That was interesting. We got a MrBeast guy! Let's go! A part of the MrBeast squad. Yo, limited edition though. We got the regular Panther. We got like the regular one. Like MrBeast, just plain old regular. Plain old regular. No way. Prime pack. We got a purple ultimate rare. And then we got this guy. I'm gonna quickly find him. a, here's, oh, I'll get him up close. Just 1 second, let me find him. Where is this guy? Hello, you're a gaming controller. Are you? Don't see you anywhere. Does it even show you? Oh, you're a common. Techno Terriers. So, here's the 2 guys you got. Where's MrBeast? Yeah, here. Sorry guys, I'm sick. Here's MrBeast. MrBeast. The back is, yeah. And then here is this guy. Don't know his name. Yeah. That's all for today's video. I may upload another one. Since I went to Walmart, I tried to search for something cool. This took 5 minutes? No, wait, 6. Well, yeah. Maybe another video today. My sister's home. They tried to film, ooh, I am sick. Sorry guys, I'm very sick. For real, I had to go to the doctor's office on Friday. I had to skip school. Just for that. So, I'll cut the video short since I'm sick. I look disgusting. Peace, love, like, and subscribe.